Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to this Bluetooth audio system in the Toyota. It's a Toyota 13836 TomTom from any screen. Well, first of all, just make sure that your Bluetooth is on. It's picked the system up straight away just by switching Bluetooth on. That's the TomTom Toyota 2. But I'll show you how to do that. If you just click that, you'll start the pairing system. But say for instance you can't. From any screen, it's on the radio, click the round button, on sat nav, click sat nav, and you've got there mobile phone is in the bottom left hand corner. It may not be on that screen, it may be on one of these others. So all you do is press this blue play button until you get to mobile phones. Click on mobile phone. Mobile phone, to use the hands-free features, you need to establish a Bluetooth connection between your phone and your TomTom Toyota 2. Do you want to do that now? Yes. Please make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Well, it is enabled, so yes. Searching for phones, one moment please. It'll come up here hands-free and then change to TomTom. Connect to Barry's iPhone, yes. And there you go, TomTom. Click on TomTom. And it says, if your phone asks for a password, enter 0000 pair. I don't want it to allow my contacts to sync. So that's it, TomTom Toyota connected. There we go. The phone Barry's iPhone 10 is now ready for hands-free calling. The following features were found: hands-free calling, phone book, tone, keyboard. Continue, continue. This phone does not seem to be capable of making a wireless data connection. TomTom services cannot be used with this phone. But do you want to copy the phone book from your mobile? I don't want to do it, but you probably will. Now, one other thing, if you click on the screen, you see there mobile phone, change preferences. Use night colours, show points of interest on maps, safety preferences, voice preferences. Done. Go back into mobile phone, phone preferences, Bluetooth preferences. If for any reason you can't pair your mobile phone, just go into this menu. You see there, if there's a cross on, or if there's a cross on enable Bluetooth, you're okay. But if there's no cross, then you need to tick that. It'll come on in a second. There you go. So that's Bluetooth enabled. And also you've got here enable wireless data. So I've just enabled that as well. That's how you do it.